A local organization is working to prevent food waste and help feed those in need. VCU graduate Taylor Scott founded RVA Community Fridges. Taylor says she saw how people were struggling and wanted to provide them access to free, healthy food during the pandemic. Thanks to an anonymous donor, Taylor has raised enough money to set up one community fridge a month for the rest of the year. She plans to open 2 more locations in April. If you would like to donate or volunteer, you can message RVA Community Fridges on social media at RVA Community Fridges on Instagram and Facebook.